Alright, so we're gonna install the AMS oil separator. We have to remove that one so that we could install it over there. Those intake pipe and intake tube and the valve from the valve cover. And then we have to replace that. We have to take the tensioner and remove the belt, remove the pulleys, then remove the dipstick. And then same thing with the other side. And then we replace the blow-off bulb right there, and the AMS goes there. All right, let's get it on. That's the project for today. All right, so we just removed the two pulleys so that we could install this, the new dipstick, and remove that old dipstick in there, and then we go from there. All right, and that dipstick is bits to remove. My goodness, that dipstick is crazy. It's hard. That's stuck in there. Woo! All right, just finished installing Go Fast Bits blow-off valve 2 and the Alpha AOS, which is the air oil separator, or layman's terms, the oil catch can, AMS Alpha, right there. So routed that one properly in there. Goes to the bottom, that one goes from the top. So yep, just finished. And let's see if it starts. Okay, and that's beautiful. Beautiful. So don't mind my hair, just finished. My hands are dirty. Just finished installing the AMS oil catch can, or the air oil separator. I installed the Go Fast Bits blow-off valve on both sides. Alright, so let's see if it starts. Alright, so far so good. Alright, let's see. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's Alpha. That's GFB. That's GFB. Alpha. GFB. Man, that engine bay is getting better and better. Alright. Let's see if it starts. Alright, let's test if it starts with no problem. Alright. No problem. No leak. Right, there's no leak. Right, so far so good. There's no leak.